Hi, how is everyone? So in this video we are going to answer Biology 2023 Paper 2 GCE question. Specifically we are going to answer question 5 of section A, genetics. Okay, and the question that came was about hemophilia. Okay, and the statement reads, a hemophilic mother had two sons who were both hemophilic. The father was non-hemophilic. The first question is, so this is question 5a. Define the term hemophilia. Define the term hemophilia. So you can say hemophilia is an inherited disease where a human being bleeds for longer periods than normal. Okay, than normal. This is caused due to poor clotting of blood. Okay, so this is the answer to the first question. Hemophilia is an inherited disease. It's an inherited disease where a human being bleeds for longer periods than normal due to poor clotting of blood. That is hemophilia. The second question says, which is question B. Question B says, using letters X and this is small letter h, this is capital letter H, write down the genotype of the father. So the father was non-hemophilic, meaning the genotype of the father was like this, capital H, because hemophilic is recessive. So this is the genotype of the father. All right, then the genotype of the mother was hemophilic, meaning she was affected. So both of her chromosomes were recessive, like this. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is the genotype of the mother, because the mother was hemophilic. All right, and then this is for the father, who was normal. Now the second question, they're saying, using a genetic diagram, explain why both boys were hemophilic. Okay, both boys were hemophilic. So what we're going to say here, since this is question C, why both boys? So, and this is 6 marks, so we're going to say parental phenotype let's start with the father. So the phenotype of the father is non-hemophilic, which is normal. Okay, the mother was hemophilic. Okay, so next is parental genotype. Since the father was non-hemophilic, then hemophilic is crossed with non-hemophilic is crossed with hemophilic. So the genotype of the father will be, like we've indicated that side, it will be normal, like this. Then that of the mother will be affected, like this. Okay, then the gametes can just show like this. Okay, oh, this is Y, sorry, this is Y. Then here you can do the same. These are gametes, so here you can indicate gametes. Then the random fertilization, so this first chromosome will be crossed with the first chromosome here, which will be, the genotype will be X, H, then small h. Here we always start with the dominant allele. So the same here, like this, with this one, which we're going to write like this. Then we come to this, it will be X, small letter h, then Y. Okay, then the last one, okay, so this, what was happening here was fertilization. Okay, the next, this is the genotype or offspring. Say offspring genotype. Okay, which is also F1, filial one, or first generation. Okay, then offspring phenotype. Okay, so let's start with the females. These are ladies. So this is a girl, this is a girl, a boy, a boy. So this one is a carrier, normal carrier. So the person is not affected, but it's just a carrier. This one also is a carrier. This one is hemophilic, which is affected son. This is also affected child. Okay, so we have two carriers and two affected males. So all of the male children will be affected. Okay, will be affected. So phenotypic ratio can say is 1 to 1, 50-50. Okay, it's 1 to 1, the ratio. The ratio of carriers and the affected is just 1 to 1. Okay, this is simple. This is how you answer the question. Okay, this is how you answer the question. All right, so if you've enjoyed the video, click the subscription button, and also like the video. If you have a question, ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.